The AROMA Professional 8-cup rice cooker and steamer is a versatile kitchen powerhouse designed to streamline meal preparation for busy households. This multifunctional appliance features a sleek stainless steel exterior that fits seamlessly into modern kitchen aesthetics while offering a compact 2-quart footprint. With its user-friendly digital interface, it handles everything from fluffy white and brown rice to specialized grains and oatmeal. The ARC 954 SBD model is engineered to deliver consistent results whether you are cooking for one or preparing a side dish for the entire family. Beyond its primary function, the AROMA Professional 8-cup rice cooker and steamer serves as a reliable slow cooker and food steamer, allowing for healthy one-pot meals. The included steam tray enables users to cook nutrient-rich vegetables or proteins simultaneously, while rice prepares below, maximizing efficiency and saving valuable time. Its intuitive STS technology and programmable features offer precision control over various cooking modes, making it an essential tool for those who enjoy experimenting with different textures and flavors. Without the hassle of constant monitoring, safety and convenience remain at the forefront of the design for the AROMA Professional 8-cup rice cooker and steamer, which includes an automatic keep warm function to ensure food stays at the ideal serving temperature for hours. The non-stick inner pot is easy to clean, and the digital display provides clear updates on the progress of your meal. By combining several appliances into one durable unit, this multi-cooker simplifies the cooking process and reduces countertop clutter, proving itself as a dependable companion for any home chef seeking professional-grade performance. Pros: versatile multi-grain cooking functions, compact size saves counter space, consistent and perfect results, automatic keep warm feature, convenient delay timer function, easy to use. Interface: efficient non-stick inner pot, functions as a slow cooker, steams vegetables and eggs perfectly. Lightweight and portable design, clear and helpful user manual, includes steamer basket and accessories, simple and quick cleanup, Saudi 1/2 and simmer feature included. Cons: can boil over or cause messes, lid and seal are not removable, internal metal edges can be sharp, steamer basket is too shallow, short power cord limits placement, rice can overcook if not monitored, cleaning the lid is difficult, steam vent can bubble over, steamer basket holds limited food features. Digital rice cooker, multi-cooker functionality, 4-cup uncooked capacity, 8-cup cooked capacity. Integrated food steamer, slow cooker setting, dedicated oatmeal mode, STS technology. Automatic keep warm, 2-quart volume, stainless steel exterior. The AROMA Professional 8-cup rice cooker and steamer is a versatile kitchen powerhouse designed to streamline meal preparation for busy households. This multifunctional appliance features a sleek stainless steel exterior that fits seamlessly into modern kitchen aesthetics while offering a compact 2-quart footprint. With its user-friendly digital interface, it handles everything from fluffy white and brown rice to specialized grains and oatmeal. The ARC 954 SBD model is engineered to deliver consistent results whether you are cooking for one or preparing a side dish for the entire family. The AROMA Professional digital rice cooker offers impressive versatility as a multifunctional appliance that delivers consistent results across various grains, steaming tasks, and slow cooking functions, all within a compact and portable stainless steel design. Users appreciate its user-friendly interface, convenient delay timer, and the added sauté then simmer feature, which simplifies meal preparation in smaller kitchens. However, these benefits are balanced by several practical drawbacks, including a non-removable lid that makes deep cleaning difficult, a shallow steamer basket with limited capacity, and a tendency for the unit to boil over or bubble through the vent if not carefully monitored. Additionally, the short power cord restricts its placement on countertops, and some users have noted that the internal metal edges can be sharp during handling.